Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply enable voice chat in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is check the audio if it's voice chat enabled. This is simple stuff, but yeah, just check it out so we're sure. Then the next thing what you want to do is just go to your speaker here and check if your input is working well and if you've chosen the right microphone. This is the second thing that you're gonna see if it's working or not right here. If you have these two things, let's go for the third way how we can solve this problem. The third way is pressing Alt Shift F9. So Alt plus Shift F9 or Alt Shift F10. And what will happen is this. Mute sound enabled, voice chat enabled. So this is also what can be the problem. This is if you have NVIDIA. This is with NVIDIA highlight recording. Test it out if it's working when you're gonna press it or when you don't. And the next thing is the solution that can work for you too. So let me show you. It's this. If your microphone works in other applications such as Battle and Team Score, blah 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 blah, this will not lose any game progress. Go to your documents folder. So let's start. So here, documents. First we will go to Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Then we will go to players. Now you delete every single folder except ADV options. Like my mic is working in a game, so it's going to work for you, this solution, probably. Delete every folder file expect ADV option, then click on a folder once all the other folders files have been deleted. So delete everything and just leave ADV options. Once you open the file, change config cloud storage enabled 1 to 0. So you just open it and you just change it to 0 and save the file. Start your game and your microphone will work. If not, change config cloud storage enabled back to 1 and retry. Or retry, I don't know. Spread the word. This is weeks of frustration finally resolved. So this is how you do it. Delete everything, just open the ADV options and you change the config to 0, close it, start the game and try it again. And this is how we're gonna solve it. I hope this helped you in some way. If so, I'll be really happy if you like the video, and if this was helpful, thank you, and if it wasn't, I hope you will find a solution for your problem, because there are many configurations and some can work and some won't. So yeah, goodbye.